Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to put a logo on Wrinkled shirt in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J, and now go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and add 3 pixels blur. Go to File, Save as a copy. Save it in PSD format and name it anything that you want. I'm typing shirt. And delete that. Now make a selection of the shirt. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. So import the design, go to File, Place Embedded, and transform it to the shirt size, and create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Now go to Filter, Distort, Displace, and make the settings as it is and hit OK. And now select the saved file that we do previously and open the save file. Go to blending options, break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. Logo is added on our wrinkled shirt. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.